In the natural world, few events capture our imagination like the transformation of a caterpillar into a butterfly. This is not mere growth, but a profound reinvention, a biological marvel known as metamorphosis. Many insects undergo this remarkable process, living different lives in different stages. We often see a caterpillar inching along a leaf, dedicated solely to eating, and later marvel at a butterfly sipping nectar from flowers. The journey from one to the other is a story of hidden processes and intricate biological machinery. This transformation is one of nature's most magical performances. Let us explore the science behind this incredible transformation from the tiny egg to the magnificent adult. The butterfly's life story begins with the egg, a tiny, delicate structure that holds the promise of transformation. A female butterfly carefully selects a host plant for her offspring, as it will be the first food source for the young caterpillar. This choice is crucial for the survival of her young. Butterfly eggs come in many shapes, sizes, and colors, often laid on the underside of leaves. Each species has its unique egg characteristics. After a period of development, the tiny larva or caterpillar emerges and begins its primary mission, to eat and grow. This is a critical phase in its life cycle. The caterpillar's body is designed for this purpose, with strong chewing mouthparts and a long, tubular body for digesting food. It is a voracious eater, consuming leaves almost non-stop. As the caterpillar eats, it grows rapidly, shedding its skin multiple times in a process called molting. Each molt allows it to expand and continue its growth. During this stage, the caterpillar is vulnerable to predators and has evolved various defense mechanisms. These include camouflage, spines, and even warning colors to deter potential threats. All this eating and growing accumulates the resources needed for the next stage of its life. The caterpillar must be well prepared for its upcoming transformation into a chrysalis. Once the caterpillar reaches its full size, it stops feeding, having consumed enough to fuel its transformation. It then searches for a safe location to undergo its next transformation, often choosing a hidden spot to avoid predators. The caterpillar secures itself and sheds its skin one last time, emerging as a pupa or chrysalis, a process that is both fascinating and complex. The chrysalis is a hardened protective casing where extraordinary changes occur, safeguarding the vulnerable pupa inside. Inside, the caterpillar's body is broken down into a nutrient-rich soup, a remarkable process of deconstruction and reconstruction. Special cells called imaginal discs begin to form the adult butterfly's body parts, each disc destined to become a specific structure. Using the nutrients, these discs grow and differentiate, reshaping the caterpillar's body into the butterfly's distinct three-part body head, thorax, and abdomen, a true marvel of nature. The wings begin to form, folded intricately within the pupal case, preparing for their first flight. This period of transformation can last from a few weeks to several months, depending on the species and environmental conditions. The chrysalis stage is a highly organized process of rebuilding, leading to the emergence of the adult butterfly, ready to take on the world with its newfound beauty and grace. The process of metamorphosis is meticulously controlled by hormones. Two key hormones, ecdysone and juvenile hormone, play crucial roles. Ecdysone triggers the shedding of the caterpillar's skin, allowing it to grow. Juvenile hormone ensures the insect remains in its larval form. As the caterpillar prepares for pupation, juvenile hormone levels decrease, signaling the transformation into a pupa. Inside the pupa, ecdysone directs the development of adult structures from the imaginal discs. This hormonal control ensures a harmonious symphony of development, leading to the emergence of the adult butterfly. After weeks or months of hidden transformation, the moment of emergence finally arrives, marking the end of a long period of metamorphosis. The adult butterfly breaks free from its pupal case, its wings soft and crumpled, a delicate and vulnerable state. It pumps vital fluids into its wings, expanding them to their full size and shape, preparing for the next stage of its life. Once the wings are fully inflated and hardened, the butterfly takes its first flight, a moment of newfound freedom and exploration. The adult butterfly's primary purposes are to reproduce and feed on nectar, ensuring the continuation of its species. Its mouthparts have transformed into a proboscis for sipping nectar, making it an important pollinator in the ecosystem. The metamorphosis allows the insect to exploit different resources and habitats at different life stages, a remarkable adaptation. This transformation is a cornerstone of ecological balance, a beautiful and essential thread in the rich fabric of life on Earth, contributing to biodiversity.